Good morning students. Welcome to the Science 1 class. Students, in the last video we learnt about atomic number and mass number. Mass number can also be called as atomic mass. Mass number is the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom, whereas atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus. Do you remember what is nucleon? Yes, nucleon is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. First, let's learn about isotope. What's the chemical symbol of chlorine? Yes, it's Cl. In the image, you have two chlorine atoms. It's chlorine 35 and chlorine 17. How many protons are there in chlorine 35? 17 protons. And how many neutrons? 18 neutrons. When you sum up 17 plus 18, you will be getting 35. Hence, the atomic mass is given as 35. In the same way, how many protons and neutrons are there in chlorine 37? 17 protons and 20 neutrons. When you sum up, you will be getting 37. So, for chlorine 37, the mass number is 37. Now, let's learn the definition for isotopes. Atoms of the same element having the same number of protons but different number of neutrons are called as isotopes. It's easy to remember, students. In the word isotopes, you have a word top. While representing an atom, at the top we'll be writing the atomic mass. So, atomic mass will be different in the isotopes. Next, we will learn about isobars. Let's understand this concept with an example. Here, the first one is argon. What's the chemical symbol for argon? It's Ar. In argon, how many protons are there? 18 protons. How many neutrons? 22 neutrons. So, when you sum up, you will be getting 40. Hence, the atomic mass is given as 40. What is the next one? It's potassium. And the chemical symbol of potassium is K. When you sum up protons and neutrons, you will be getting 40. Hence, the atomic mass is given as 40. And the last one is calcium. You have 20 protons and 20 neutrons. Hence, the mass number is 40. Next, we will learn the definition for isobar. Atoms of different elements with same atomic mass are called as isobars. In the word isobars, you have a word bar. While representing an atom, at the bottom we will be writing the atomic number. So, atomic mass will be different in the isobars. Next, we will learn about atomic mass unit. Is it possible to calculate the mass of a single atom? No. As you all know that the atom is the smallest component. Suppose you have two objects A and B, and you know that the weight of the object A is 12 kgs, but you don't know the weight of object B, which is very smaller when compared to object A. Now let's learn how to calculate the weight of object B using the object A. Let's cut the object A into 6 equal pieces. Now let's compare the weight of object B using a single piece of object A. You can see in the image that both sides are not balanced. So again let's cut the object A into 12 equal pieces. Again let's compare the weight of object B with the single piece of object A. Now both the sides are balanced. Can you say the weight of object B? Yes, it's 1 kg. We already know that the weight of object A is 12 kgs, and we have divided the object A into 12 equal pieces, which means each piece is equal to 1 kg. Hence, we can say that the object B weighs 1 kg. Now, the mass of object B is 1/12 that of object A. So, in the same way, we are going to calculate the mass of an atom. Carbon-12 is an isotope which is almost found everywhere in nature. Hence, carbon-12 is considered as the standard unit to calculate the atomic mass of an atom. Let's take one carbon-12 isotope and divide it into 12 equal parts. Among the 12 equal parts, let's take one part. This one part is equal to 1 atomic mass unit. So, this is how you have to calculate the atomic mass of an atom. Let's learn the definition for atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit is equal to 1/12 of the mass of a carbon-12 atom. Okay, what's the unit of mass? Yes, it's kg. In the same way, the mass of an atom is calculated in AMU, that is atomic mass unit. An overview of today's class. Today we have learnt about isotopes, isobars and atomic mass unit. Thank you students. Have a good day.